Hello students, welcome back to E-class of St. Xavier School, Adipur. Before moving on with the chapter, let us have a quick recap of what did we learn in part 1. So, in part 1, we covered present tense and past tense. So, these two tenses we covered in the part 1. So, let's have a quick recap. Let's revise it. Now, present tense is divided into 4 parts, into 4 forms. Same past tense also. It's also divided into 4 forms. So let's read and understand what are the differences between these two. Simple present tense. We will add S or ES with the main verb. Understood? With the singular, we add S. If the subject is singular, walks, isn't it? If it is plural, as it is. Same way for past tense, simple past tense, was or were, depending upon the subject. If the subject is singular, was. If the subject is plural, were. Or we can also write V2 form of the verb, walk. Walked. She walked in the garden. ED. V2 form of the verb. Next. Present continuous. Is, am, are. Plus ing form of the main verb. Is playing. She is playing in the park. She, subject. Again here also, if subject is singular, then is. Am always comes with I. Are with plural. Same here with the past continuous. Was or were. Singular hai to was, plural hai to were. Plus ing form of the main verb. She was playing in the park. Now, present perfect tense. In this, you have to add has, have, plus past participle of the main verb. V3 form of the verb. Buy, bought, bought. Eat, ate, eaten. V1, that is the base form. V2, that is the past form. V3, past participle of the main verb. Understood? So, how we can write this, how we can form the sentence? She has eaten the apple, isn't it? We will use V3 form of the verb. Singular hai to has, plural hai to have. I exceptional case. With I, you will always write have. Children, don't forget this. Okay. Now, same here also, past perfect. Had. Here you don't have to see whether the subject is singular or plural. Directly write down had. She had eaten an apple. Isn't it? So, had plus past participle of the main verb. V3 form of the verb. Next, perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous. Has or have. Singular has, plural have, I exceptional case, plus been plus ing form of the verb. For example, she has been scoring very well in test. Has been scoring. Has, because subject is singular, plus been plus ing, scoring. Next, same with past perfect continuous. Had, again here no singular, no plural. Had plus been plus ing form of the verb. The volcano had been erupting many years. Okay. So, this what we learnt in part 1 or first part of this chapter. Now let's move on to the last and the final tense, that is future tense. Okay, now children, these are different forms of future tense, like present tense and past tense. Future tense too has got simple form, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous forms. So let's get start with simple future tense. We will eat mangoes after lunch. We will eat. So, future, simple future tense. Mary will send her email after 5 minutes. Will send. Sumit will clean his desk tomorrow. Or see, all these actions are happening in the future or will happen in the future. Will clean. Next, future continuous. Salima will be writing the speech for the inauguration. Will be writing. Will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Meenu will be traveling. Will plus be plus ing form of the verb. To Croatia to meet her coach Milosevic. The principal will be arriving. Will be arriving. Will plus be plus ing form of the verb. Anytime. So, this what is the difference between future and continuous. Here we are just adding will with the main verb. Here we are adding will plus be plus ing form with the main verb. Next, future perfect. We will have eaten 5 mangoes by 5 o'clock. Will have eaten. Will plus have plus past participle. V3 form of the verb. Eat, ate, eaten. Buy, bought, bought. Isn't it? Mary will have cleaned Sumit's desk before evening. The villagers will have escaped by the time the volcano erupts. Now, future perfect continuous. Asin will have been studying. Will have been studying. Here you have to use will plus have plus been plus ing with the main verb. When Arun telephones her from Australia. The villagers will have been sleeping at the time of the elephant raid. So, you can very clearly make out the differences among the different forms of future tense. Will plus main base form of the verb. Will plus ing with the main verb. Then future perfect. Will plus have plus V3 form of the main verb. Future perfect continuous. Will plus have plus been plus ing form of the main verb. Now, let's move on to the exercise. Children, I have already finished till 4th question in the first part of the chapter. Now, let's move on to the 5th question. The future perfect verb form of read is future perfect. What is the formula for future perfect? Will plus have plus V3, isn't it? That is what the structure, understood, formation of future perfect. So, which one will be the answer? Will have read. Now, children, read, read, read. The spelling remains the same, but we will pronounce it as read. Read, read, read. So, will have read. Okay, is the correct answer. Next, exercise 2. Write what tense form of the verb is used in each of the following sentences. Here you just have to identify which kind of tense, understood, is the sentence. So let's get started with the first one. Lydia was the captain of the school basketball team. Simple past tense. Why simple past tense? Was. That's why simple past tense. Second question. The fishermen have come back from Sri Lanka. So, have come. So, what it will be? Present perfect tense. Understood? Have plus V3 form of the verb. So have, come. Come, came, come. Become, became, become. It is like that. Next, all pupils of class 6 are preparing for a class test. Are preparing. So present continuous tense. Is, am, are plus ing form of the verb. Next, the workers of this factory have been demanding higher wages for the past 3 years. Have been demanding. Have plus been plus ing form of the verb. Present perfect continuous tense. That what is the format of present perfect continuous tense. Next, Samyukta's friend Kamal had been living in Raipur before he came to Delhi. So here had been living. Had. So past. Past perfect ing. So past perfect continuous tense. Next. Mr. Anwar Ali teaches us Hindi at school. Teaches. S. So what? Simple present tense. Neetu was having her breakfast at 8:30. Was having. Was or were plus ing form of the verb. Past continuous tense. Nobody will stop you at the gate. Will stop. Simple future. Okay. I hope you understood this chapter. Here I finished this chapter. And these exercises you need to write in your textbook itself. Learn it. Take care of yourself. Bye.